front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this Samsung. You need to start by opening Settings, then scroll down just a bit. Now you need to access Notifications. Tap on App Notifications at the top and click on All. Then select the best option for you, in my case, Most Frequent. Lastly, manage notifications from chosen app by clicking on this switcher next to it. You can also just tap on one of your apps instead and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!